Okay, so this customer just recently purchased this vehicle and he's not sure what this check light is about. Okay, we got the ABS light on, the skid control, and we got the, what's that, the handbrakes light? I'm not sure what that is, but we got to put the scan tool on this vehicle and see exactly what's going on. We got this Carpal Topdon Bluetooth device, right? This is a dongle type setup. Okay, this was sent to me by Topdon. Right, it comes with a little card here asking if you're happy and stuff like that. Well, let's do a live unboxing and see what's going on. Right, you see that it's closed. All right, so I haven't opened it as yet, so this is the first time I'm opening this scan tool. Right, you can get it on Amazon for like under $50. I heard it's very powerful and it's a really good, tool by one of my other techs who has one. All right, so let's take it out. Okay, I got two cards. So it came with two cards asking if you're happy, and if you not happy with the product and stuff like that, you can just probably go online and contact them, right? And it comes with a quick guide, right? Probably show you how to set it up, what you need to do, right? Also, this is the dongle. It's really, nice and small. Right, let's plug it onto this Volkswagen Amarok. You see that green light, then you know that it's connecting. You gotta have the ignition on, right? Also, before you do anything else too, you gotta make sure and download the app. And once you get the app going, okay, it's gonna look like this. I got it on my tablet, right? You can also hook it up to your phone or probably your laptop. So let's connect, and we gotta make sure we connect the tablet to the VCI. Right, so it's connected. You see the VCI saying green. All right, so it looked like it have auto VIN, right? You see the VIN number came up on its own. So let's press OK. The 2015 Amarok. So with that, now we're gonna scan. As I said, the topology part thing is not there, but I really like the interface. Looking more modern. Okay, so what we got here, we got a score of 88. What that means, your vehicle has fault codes. Please generate a diagnostic report and maintain your vehicle in time. All right, so let's make a report. All right, so my last score was 88. Let's do the battery test. So right now the battery is reading 12.3. All right, so we're gonna, what does this mean? So basically this is just like a live battery test, direct off the dongle. Right, so let's do a test. We're going to start. The following are the next step for battery testing. Click next, yes, follow instruction, turn off all system. All right, so everything is off. Turn off current, headlight, AC, stuff like that. All right, cool. Let's press next. Tap to confirm and start the vehicle. So it's like a RC test, I guess. Current test result is that the battery is defective. Restart after 3 minutes. If the multiple test result negative, go to professional HC to inspect or replace. We are charging at 14.6, and the battery basically dropped all the way down to 7.5. And I did feel, the battery drop. You felt it hesitant in the diesel. So yeah, that's what's up, man. What is the performance test? Probably I need to drive the vehicle. Okay, I'm not gonna do that right now, so I'm gonna come out of this. I mean, I wish it was a little more faster. Engine load is at 39. It's probably the amount of information that Volkswagen have, I guess. Maintenance, let's do maintenance. So we got oil reset, the EP brake reset, the TPMS, DPF, battery monitor system, and throttle. Right, let's do oil. Let's confirm. The trip was reset before. Right, I can't do it manually, but let's see if we can do it using this. So I believe you can. Let's come out of this. Yeah, so that's basically the live unboxing, with this tool. I just wanted to show you around a little bit, but The only knock on it so far is that it takes too long for me. I mean, but other than that, let's check the live data. This is my thing right here. I want to see what's going on with this vehicle while it's running. I think, as I said, the only knock I have on it is that it's taking too long to display the information. Right? Is it slow? I'm not sure because of the vehicle, but I wish it would have been more, you know, more faster, more quicker compared to other scan tools. Or just probably me being impatient, I guess. But I like the whole setup. I'm going to play with it a little bit more. Expect to see it in some more videos. And yeah, let's see what's going on with the live data. You see, it's taking too long. Alright, can we graph this? What's going on here? Let's do RPM. Let's do custom mode. So we can pick like engine. Let's pick temperature. I see. What else? I can, you know, pick certain things and graph it. Fuel rail pressure, intake manifold pressure. What else do we have? Alright, let's confirm that. And can we graph it? I guess we can. I want to see it right here. Okay. So right now it is the real-time data. What does this mean? In RPM, right? Yeah, press save. Open this up. So you see it's graphing right now. If I raise the RPM up, you see it's increasing. Kind of choppy, but I mean it's the $50 scan tool. So combine this with, let's say, the fuel pressure. Okay, and let's see what's going on. So let's step on the RPM. Once the RPM goes up, once I step on the X, you see the fuel pressure increase also. So yeah, how many can I graph at the same time? Let's see. No, I'm only allowed to graph up to 4. Press OK. Alright, so I'm gonna call this a success, right? You expect to see this, as I said, in more videos, right? So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe button, share, comment, you know, all that good stuff. Until next time, y'all take it easy. So this car got an 88.